Well, today's order by the Supreme Court is a big blow to taxpayers and has ruled in the favor of tax department. Essentially, the Income Tax Act must be interpreted with the amended provisions effective after April 1st, 2021 is what the Supreme Court is saying. And this decision has impacted approximately 90,000 reassessment of notices given to taxpayers. Now, during the pandemic, for context, the old as well as the new tax laws overlapped and were viewed as concurrently valid. Now, the issue led to widespread disputes and legal actions due to extension of old provisions amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Taxation overlap issue led to a flood of notices, and over 10,000 writ petitions were issued with the Supreme Court of India, many of which faced challenges from tax authorities in the Supreme Court as well. Now, the taxpayers essentially contested that the notices issued under the old law in various high courts argued that the law of limitation had set in and that the department no longer had the authority to issue reopening notices after April 1st, 2021. Now, these high courts where most of these writ petitions were filed include the Gujarat High Court, Allahabad High Court, Bombay High Court, Delhi High Court, so on and so forth, and a couple of others as well. Now, in the past as well, Supreme Court back in 2022 said that the taxpayers faced a setback when the Supreme Court upheld all reassessment notices issued post March 31st, 2021, utilizing the extraordinary powers under Article 142 of the Constitution. However, the Supreme Court has left the door open for further judicial proceedings, particularly for the assessment years between 2013-14 and 2017-18. Legal experts although suggest that while the Revenue Department, with this particular ruling by the Supreme Court, have secured an initial victory, the legal discussions are far from over. So more could come after the stakeholders involved in this particular case.